opened it up to see, and to my horror, this is what I saw. So as you guys saw from that horrifying and terrible video that I just showed you, I'm gonna tell you the complete story for it. I'm gonna put this box down and I'm gonna tell you the story. So I bought two emo tree skinks from a recent Reptile Expo. As you guys know, they only had one at the show and they had one back at the shop. So they said they're gonna ship the one back at the shop back to me. I gave them my contact information on where to ship it. I gave them the necessary stuff. So I finally got a hold of them. I finally got my, we had everything done. The skink was shipped out. Right now it's Wednesday. On Monday, I gave them my information, and they gave me their information, and then it got shipped out on Tuesday, so yesterday. The animal came in 5:15. The delivery driver was walking up to my house, and he was throwing the box in the air. So I ran out and I yelled at him. I was like, "So there's live animals in there," and he was just kind of like, "Oh, okay," and he just looked at said, "Oh, okay, sorry." That's it. And then it is clearly labeled. I will show you the labels. That's not right. Live animals, if you can read backwards. And then this says this side up, and then live animals. It's very clearly labeled that it's a live animal. This guy's still throwing it in the air. So anyways, I brought the skink in, and I brought the box in, and I was very confident that it was not alive. Unfortunately, my predictions were true. I just saw the belly up, lifeless body of an emo tree skink, an extremely rare skink that I was really looking forward to working with. So it's really annoying, and it's an animal, it's a live animal. I love animals. I mean, look at all these animals they have, and it's horrible to see these animals die. And anyway, now I will show you the box, and I will blur the skink as you kind of saw it. I'll throw up pictures of it. I'll warn you when there's pictures, so if you really don't want to see it, just look away. The packaging, I will say, is like to let you guys know it was UPS who shipped it, so maybe don't use UPS because they don't know how to ship animals, apparently. Really, really disappointing. I mean, it's a beautiful animal, and I hate to see it die. Still have the other one, he or she is doing really well. And yeah, it's just really disappointing to see how people don't even care for animals. It's, I just thought I'd share my bad experience with you guys. So hopefully you guys don't have a bad experience like this. If anything ever happens, updates, hopefully you guys don't have the same bad experience. If I have any updates, I'll let you guys know. So it's been about a week, and we have gotten the new shipment in. I'd like to say it was not the people at God's fault. They were very respectful, and they were offering to pay it, well, either refund me or send me another one. In this case, I had them send me another one. It was delivered with FedEx, not UPS this time. So it was a little better. But anyway, let's do the unboxing. All right, here he is. Okay, let's see. Oh, he's hiding. What a mean guy. You can see his tail. Oh, you can't anymore. Okay, you can see his tail. There we go. He's hiding though, like the little hider he is. I do like to say he is underweight. he is wild caught, but you can see his hip bones. But yeah, let's go put him in with the other one. We have this little Skinkosaurus reptilius, that's what I'm gonna call him. And the other one is normally underground at this time because it's right in the morning. So I'm just gonna open her up, and hopefully he'll kind of wake up. And I'm gonna place him in. I'm gonna kind of shimmy him out because they're really fast. Just gonna shimmy him out. Buddy. There we go. He is, of course, extremely stressed. Watch this video. I hope this little guy makes it. He's a little bit skinny, on the skinnier side, but I believe I can nurse him back to health. Thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me the crazy stories that FedEx or UPS or whoever has done to your boxes of reptiles. See you guys in the next video. Bye.